Hey guys, Monkey Minute 50 here. Alright, so I'm back at it again with the sneezing because that got the most views. Still don't understand why, but I want them views. So I'm gonna see this would be good for like Puffs to advertise. Like put their ad on this video or the other sneezing video, you know? Or some sort of sneeze enhancer, or, you know? I know. You know what I'm saying now that I explained it. Alright, so. This isn't powerful. I haven't used it in a while. It's dying. Alright, but anyway. I got pepper just in case it fails, but like, I'm gonna try not to. Alright? Alright. Here we go. Alright. Gosh, I can never sneeze now on command. Well, that didn't make me sneeze at all. Alright, there's one. Alright, this one of this side. I know! There's two. Yeah, there's still some pepper left. Oh. See if I could go for 3. Sneeze with my mouth closed. Ew. It's so gross. I'm not trying for that. Ew. Well, I sneezed 3 times. It's gross. I don't know if that came out, but alright, so I know I didn't sneeze with my mouth closed. I have a terrible memory and I completely forgot I said that. But make sure you guys subscribe and share this video. And if you are subscribed, share this video and like it. You unsubscribes too, like it. Oh, now my nose burns. Alright, yo. I'm out.